On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram limit problem, solve it easily and fast. So all what you have to do to solve this problem is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps and then search here for Instagram like this. Go to Instagram. Right here you will find all the app informations and settings. Go down here, click on the power usage details. On this page, all what you have to do is go to the app launch. This is very important step, and then disable the manage automatically option and make sure that the auto launch is enabled and the secondary launch is enabled and the run in background is also enabled, and click OK. Go back, click here on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.